Hello everyone, I'm Sajid here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the Free Fire gameplay comparison between the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus Nord device. So I'll try to start the game at same time and let's see which phone will actually open much faster. So right now you can see here friends, I'm using the Poco X3 and the OnePlus Nord device, and Poco X3 has a Snapdragon 732G processor. So whereas the OnePlus Nord has a Snapdragon 765G processor. So in terms of the performance and everything, the OnePlus Nord should be the clear winner when you compare with the Snapdragon 732G processor. So let's see when I open the Free Fire game at same time in both phones, so which phone will actually open much faster between both of the smartphones. So I'll try to do this kind of comparison with even with the other smartphones as well. So make sure to follow me regularly for more in-depth reviews. And if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, try to check the links in description. So there is a playlist of wallpapers available, so you can check that playlist. Even there is a playlist available for both smartphones. So let's get started first by clearing all the applications in the background. So let me try to clear all the applications in the background. As you can see, everything is cleared from the background. There is no recent application is open. So now let me try to open the Free Fire game at same time. So I connected to the same Wi-Fi network in both the smartphones. So now let me try to enable that. So let me try to open at same time. As you can see, it's open in both phones at same time. So let's see friends, which phone will actually open faster. As you can see, the Poco X3 did open faster. You can see the startup page got open first in the Poco X3 smartphone. So if you want, I can do the test, this kind of comparison again. I did myself multiple times. The Poco X3 did perform well. I'm not sure why, but so let me try to start again. So let's see now. As you can see friends, so I do open, and both phones, they do have different kind of game booster inbuilt in their systems. So here both phones are opening again. As you can see, the Poco X3 got it first, then the OnePlus Nord device. So you can clearly see here right now. So let me try to start the game. And one good thing with the Poco X3 is that you can see the actual FPS meter count easily in this Poco phones and Redmi phones. So whereas in the OnePlus Nord, you don't get this kind of swipe to see the FPS count here. So whereas in the Poco X3, you can actually see the FPS count, real-time FPS counts. So that's another advantage here. But overall friends, in terms of the opening the gameplay, both phones, the Poco X3 performed pretty good and did open the game very much faster than the OnePlus Nord device. So one thing I did feel there is a huge difference is in terms of holding the both phones. I can seriously feel the difference when I hold OnePlus Nord and the Poco X3 in different hands. I can feel the weight as well between both the phones easily. So when you are using side by side. So I'm using the Poco X3 for the past, I think, close to 10 to 15 days. So overall it's pretty good. Even the OnePlus Nord as well I'm using for the past 20 to 25 days. So both phones, they are pretty good in their gaming performance. So there is not much issues as well in terms of the gaming. So as I said, the advantage in the Poco X3 is that you can see the real-time FPS count easily and much flexible with the GPU and CPU utilization as well. You can see how much it's utilizing clearly. So friends, this is a quick comparison between the both of the phones. So we got to know which phone will open faster. The Poco X3 did open the game faster. So overall in terms of the game fluid, both phones, they're pretty good in terms of the game. As you can see here. So no issues with that. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.